Good morning. I hope you all are good children and you all are staying at home, fit, fine, and all healthy and enjoying yourselves also with your parents, siblings. Children, today we're going to talk about a topic known as pronoun. Let's see what are pronouns. Pronouns are basically the words that take place of a noun. That means, for example, if I am standing in a line at the first place, then at the second position my friend is there, and at the third someone else is there, a classmate of mine. What happens? That due to some reason, I want to come at the first place. I was at the first place. Due to some reason, I want to come at the second place. So I request my friend, can you come and take my place here? So what she does, she comes and stands here at the first place, whereas I go away. Okay, I go away. I have to talk to somebody. Then what has happened? My friend has taken my place here because I had to go. So the words that take place of a noun, ऐसे words जो noun की जगह ले लेते हैं, are called pronoun. Okay? All those words that take the place of a noun, जो noun की जगह ले लेते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Pronoun. अब noun क्या होता है? Let's see what a noun. I know that all of you remember what is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, एक इंसान का नाम, place, a जगह, an animal, bird or thing. So what a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. These are noun. For example, Jia, person, London, place, tiger, animal, crow, bird, bag is a thing. Okay? If we talk about Jia, for example, Jia is a girl. Jia dances beautiful. Yeah. Jia likes to eat ice cream. So I have used the name Jia 3 times. Do I need to use it 3 times? No. So there is a word that can be used in place of Jia. Jia is what? A girl. So a word called she can be used in place of Jia. The other name of noun is called naming words. What are these words called? The noun is also known as naming words. Okay, so as I was telling you that there are different words to be used as pronouns. Let's see what are those. He, she, it, they, his, her, we, I, you. We use all these words, the words that are written in green, instead of repeating the naming words again and again. What does this mean? Now see here. The example says, Ria studies in class 1. There is a girl called Ria who studies in class 1. And then I've written, Ria dances beautifully. How does she dance? She dances beautifully. I have used, now look here, I have used Ria twice. We are talking about Ria only, so do I need to write down Ria 2 times? जब हम रिया के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं तो रिया का नेम लिखने की बार बार जरूरत नहीं है. We do not need to write down her name again and again. We're talking about the same person. So when we talk about the same person again and again, then the naming word, this is a naming word, Riya, naming word gets replaced with a pronoun. उसकी जगह बदल जाती है किससे? Pronoun से. Now look here. Riya studies in class 1. She dances beautifully. I have used she because Ria is a girl, isn't it? Let's see what else is there. Yeah. So now let's see, when do we use he? We use he when we talk about masculine gender. Masculine gender only in person. That means you will not include animals here. You remember masculine gender, males? Last time we talked about it. That means if you're talking about a boy or a man, then the word he will be used. Like we've used she here in place of Ria. Ria was a girl, so we've used she. But if we talk, for example, if Rohan was here, Rohan studies in class 1, Rohan sings nicely, then it would be not she, but it would be he here, because we are talking about a man or a boy. Okay, so we use she when we talk about feminine gender, that means only in person. If we talk about a girl or a woman, we use the word she. If we talk about a boy, we use the word he. I hope you are understanding, children. Okay, let's move ahead. Now see, when do we use they? They कब use करते हैं? THE is the. When Y is added to it, it becomes they. So we use they when we talk about more than one person, animal or thing. That means if you're talking about more than one person, animal or thing, then we use they in place of their names. For example, let's see, Raj and Rohan are friends. Children, in this sentence, how many people are we talking about? Now pay attention. We are talking about Raj. We are talking about Rohan. Now look, how many are there? Raj and Rohan. That means we are talking about two boys, isn't it? So the statement says when we talk about more than one person, we use the word they. Raj is also a boy, Rohan is also a boy. You cannot say he and he are talking or he and he are friends. No. If we talk about more than one person, now that one person can be a girl or a boy, a man, a woman, कोई भी हो सकता है, but पर्सन होना चाहिए क्या? एक से ज्यादा, या एनिमल होना चाहिए एक से ज्यादा, थिंग होनी चाहिए एक से ज्यादा. तब आप क्या यूज करेंगे? क्या यूज करेंगे? दे. So we have talked about a person. Let's see here. They are my cats. For example, you are showing your cats to someone. अगर आप अपनी cat किसी को दिखा रहे हैं तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? They are my cats. ये मेरी cats हैं. They. So you have used the word they for animals that is more than one. How do you know more than one? Because it's written as cats here. Then they are my toys. ये मेरे toys हैं. So again you're using they here. Okay, so we use they when we talk about more than one person, animal or thing. When do we use we? We कब use करते हैं? We is also used for more than one person, but there is one difference between they and we. Always remember, children, that they is only used when we talk about something else, someone else. जब आप किसी और के बारे में बात करते हो, एक से ज्यादा, it has to be more than one, एक से ज्यादा, तब they यूज होता है. But at the same time, अगर आप, if you're including yourself, then we use we. एक से ज्यादा अभी भी है, more than one person, but you are a part of that statement. मतलब जो आप sentence बोल रहे हैं उसमें you are included. For example, Nia and I sit together in class. You are telling us that you, I कौन हो गया, मैं, तो I am a part of this conversation or this sentence. Nia and I sit together in class. निया और मैं क्लास में एक साथ बैठते हैं. अब यहाँ पे now look here, we are talking about Nia number 1, we are talking about I number 2. So आप सोचोगे that यहाँ पे भी दो लोग हैं, मैम ने बोला है एक से ज्यादा होंगे तो दे होगा. No, the only difference is जब कभी भी आप किसी और के साथ अपने बारे में बात करते हो, then only and only the word we takes place. we की हिंदी क्या होती है? हम सब. दे की हिंदी वो सब. That means किसी और के बारे में बात करेंगे एक से ज्यादा तो दे होगा. But when we talk about ourselves including in the sentence along with someone else, किसी और के बारे में, then it is always we. For example, if I go to walk in the evening every day with my father, so we go to walk every day. या we go shopping every Sunday. तो अगर मैं उसमें नहीं हूँ और only if my parents are going for shopping, I will say my parents go for shopping or they go for shopping every Sunday. Am I going? No. But if I also go every Sunday, that means मैं अपने बारे में बता रही हूँ ना, तो क्या हो गया? We go for shopping every Sunday. So we is only used when we talking about ourselves in the sentence along with someone else. किसी और के साथ अगर हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तब we जरूर यूज होता है. Okay? Moving ahead. Now let's come to it. It is used for one thing. एक चीज के लिए. It has to be one thing. उसी के लिए यूज होता है. For example, it is my pencil. It is an apple. ठीक है? Moving ahead. I've just divided a few words into the singular and plural things. So nouns can be divided into singular, that means one, and plural, that means I've written one plus, that means more than one. Okay? Now these pronouns tell us that whether we use them with singular noun or plural noun. I का मतलब क्या होता है? मैं. And I am always going to be singular in noun. I cannot be more than one ना, तो हमेशा singular noun के साथ लगता है. Likewise, he always with singular noun. She always with singular noun. He is used for single boy or a man. She is used for single girl or a woman. It is used for one thing or a place. It is a nice place. Okay? It can also be used for a place, so it is a nice place. It is a nice restaurant. So, and moving ahead to plural. Plural means more than one, एक से ज़्यादा. We are good friends. We go to study together. They are my friends. They come to park every day. They मतलब वो लोग, we मतलब हम सब. Okay? So this was it about the basics of pronouns, children. I hope you've understood. Thank you so much.